Hey everybody, welcome back to SPI TV. In this video, this is day 3 of my trip to Ghana for the pencilsofpromise.org Build Schools campaign. Now, if you haven't watched the previous 2 videos here in SPI TV Season 2, I highly recommend you do that because that gives you a chronological order of everything we've gone up to through this point, and really it just gives you an idea of why we're doing this. Well, in day 3, a lot of amazing things happened. I went to Adaklu to watch and actually participate in the build of a brand new school, from building bricks to carrying soil. And the interesting thing about this was just that the whole community came together. Men, women, young, old, everybody was pitching in. And it was just so amazing to see, and we got to get involved as well. Then we had a lot of fun afterwards with a little dance party to celebrate. And then we got to hang out a little bit in a monkey sanctuary. So you're gonna see that and all the other fun we had at Ghana. So grateful to share this experience with you. And again, thank you to all of the donors out there who helped out with the building of these schools. This is what it's all about, giving and helping people in a way where, it really makes an impact on their lives. Because again, as a reminder, these children over there, they don't have the same opportunities we do. To put a roof over their heads and books into their minds, that's really what this is all about. Here we go. So here we are, day 3 of our Ghana trip, and we're going to head over to a construction site and actually help out a little bit, which is going to be pretty cool. So just one visit, one site today, but we're going to help out and be there for several hours and helping the community put a school together, so it'll be cool. And then afterwards, we're going to get some lunch and then probably head over to a monkey sanctuary and play with some monkeys a little bit. So we'll see you back. It should be fun. Alright, so here we are at an actual build that's happening right now in a community. You can see behind me a lot of activity. The women, the men, the children, they're all helping out to build one of the structures right now. They're just finishing up with the foundation and putting dirt into it to fill it up, and then they're going to pour more concrete over it. And they're actually building and making blocks behind us too, using sand and concrete and water, and that's it. And then they're going to have them cured for a few hours till they put them on the building, or at least build a whole pile of them, so that when it's time to put them on the building, it'll be all ready to go. But it's kind of cool to see everybody in the community, women holding babies like behind them with little straps, still helping out with large containers of dirt on their head. I got involved too a little bit, and those things are really heavy, and I had to keep my hand on it. Some of those women, they're just using their balance, and that's it. So it's really cool again to see the whole community come together to build a school, which is obviously very important to them. And we came out today to help out and pitch in a little bit. It's really interesting how Pencils of Promise partners with these communities. It's not like contractors fly in and just build everything for them. Communities are actually required to provide 20% of the cost of the build. Typically that isn't through money, but labor and materials like sand, gravel, and concrete. So this particular project was huge. Several different standalone buildings in one area to serve this community. And you see this concrete mixer here? There was only one of them. So to speed up this process, concrete blocks were made on the ground too. And it was a lot of work. And after we finished up for the day, we gathered with the community leaders and talked a bit about the purpose of all the hard work that was put in, the future of the children in this area. Then, like before, we celebrated with music and dance. It was amazing to see, once again, the impact that was being made, and to see how appreciative everyone was, especially the kids, who understood what was happening and what was ahead for them because of all of it. It made me think about what else I could do. Next week, in our last video, day 4 of my trip to Ghana, we visit a school that has an ebook pilot program. I wrap up our epic trip, and I share some exciting news about what else I'm doing to help contribute to this amazing organization.